Hey, what's going on, guys, girls? Got my, I believe this is the July Pro Wrestling Crate Mystery Box Wrestling. Comes with 2 t-shirts, a micro brawler, an autographed picture, a pin, and usually something else. Well worth the money. Alright, let me open this up and see what we got in here. I don't have my knife with me, so I'll use a screwdriver. There we go. Alright, I'm not going to look. Alright, this is the... My good. This is the cheat sheet. Everything in the box is on the other side of this. But we'll do that after. So this is July Crate 2022. Alright, so first thing we have, it's, oh, I like this shirt. It's Clobbering Time, CM Punk. Black, extra large. That is a decent looking shirt. I don't usually keep things anymore, but I might have to keep that. I'm not sure. If not, if I do decide to sell it, it's going to be in my eBay store, which you can find on the bottom of this video in the comments. Like this, share this. Alright, what's next? We have a wrestling comic book, Tales from the Road. Waltman, Kingston Hills. Alright, next item. Let me see if I got that pin right here. Oh no, it's not a pin, it's a patch. Maybe from AAA, Mask Wrestler. I have no idea who that is. Alright, I'm going to take out the mini brawler. Awesome Kong. There we go, it's Awesome Kong. Next item's going to be the, wait a minute, a pin. I do have a pin in here. And this is, I have no idea. Maybe D'Lo Brown? I'm not too sure. The neck moves though. I hate to open them up, but. Alright, so I don't know if you can see the head moving. So that's D'Lo, I think that's D'Lo Brown. Because he used to do that thing with his head when he used to wrestle. Okay, next item. It will be, I'll do the autograph picture. Hopefully it's decent. Any good? Who is it? Scotty Too Hotty? Maybe. That's an alright autograph, I guess. Let me see what else is in here. Well, that's it in the envelope. Alright, next item is going to be... Oh, wait a minute. We have a sticker. X-Pac. Sean Whitman. X-Pac. Now, the last thing is the shirt. Any good? It is the Runaway Soho, Ruby Soho. I think she was in WWE before, but I'm not sure. Best thing out of this box has to be the CM Punk t-shirt, which is really, really cool. And that's it for the box. It's empty. Let me see the cheat sheet. Alright, so it's Clobber Time CM Punk t-shirt, the Runaway Ruby Soho t-shirt, the Awesome Khan Micro Brawler, Sean Whitman, also known as X-Pac, Headlock comic book, Scotty 2 Hardy autographed 8x10, I was right about that. D'Lo Brown lapel pin, movable, I was right about that. Evil Uno, oh that's the patch. And Sean Whitman, also known as X-Pac Micro Brawler sticker. Next month is Owen Hart, FTR, Adam Cole, King Harley Race, The Godfather, The British Bulldog, and Lance Archer. That's next month's box, August. Alright, hope you liked the video. Share it, like it, whatever you have to do. See you next time. Thanks.